4x plus 1 over 2x minus 3 is 1 to 1. All that means this function has an inverse. So then we are asked to find the inverse. State the domain and range of f. Also find the domain and range of f inverse. So here the function is 4x plus 1 over 2x minus 3. Now we can find the domain of this function. Domain is all real numbers except the x values that make the bottom 0. And 2x minus 3 is 0 when the x equals, add 3 to the both sides, divide by 2. So we should not have this. So domain is all real numbers such that x is not equal to 3 halves. Domain of f, okay, this function. Okay, domain of the function, given function. Now since this is 1 to 1, we can find its inverse. We can write fx, this is y by the way, y equals the given function. The first step is to interchange the roles of the variables. That is, write x for y and y for x. Just interchange the variables. So this is x equals 4y plus 1 over 2y minus 3. Now we need to isolate y. So x means x over 1. So we need to solve for y. So let's cross multiply and get y terms in one side and isolate y. Let's multiply x times 2y, 2xy minus 3x equals 1 times 4y plus 1. Now we want to write y terms in one side. So 2xy, 4y. Subtract 4y from both sides. Move 3x to the other side means 3x, add 3x to the both sides. Here 2xy minus 4y. These are not like terms, but we can factor y out from these two terms because we are trying to isolate y. What left? 2x minus 4 equals 1 plus 1 plus 3x, 1 plus 3x or 3x plus 1, same thing. Now we can isolate y. So y equals is a time, so we divide by 2x minus 4. 1 plus 3x all over 2x minus 4. That is the inverse. In fact, there is only one inverse. So the inverse of this function. And we denote by f negative raised to negative 1. F inverse in terms of x is this. 1 plus 3x over 2x minus 4. Now we can find its domain. So domain of f inverse, this function is all reals such that we should not have 0 on the bottom. So 2x minus 4 should not be 0. Add 4 to the both sides. Divide by 2. So that's 2. So x should not be equal to 2. So x not equal to 2. Okay, and we know that for a function, for a one-to-one function, or when we find an inverse, domain of f is same as the range of f inverse, and domain of f inverse is same as range of f. So we need to find that as well. So range of the given function is same as domain of the inverse. And range of f inverse is in fact domain of f that we found earlier. Domain of f, x cannot be equal to all reals where x is not equal to 3 halves. Okay, you can put them according to the question, how they are asked. domain and range of f. Domain of f is this, range of f. Domain of f inverse, range of f inverse, and this is the inverse of the given function. Okay, final.